What's going on, YouTube? So I figured I would give you an update on my 2021 Toyota Camry XSE all-wheel drive that I bought from Carmax. Now, a little bit ago, I say around an hour before this video was made, I had her first oil change, and the tires were rotated, and they did not cost anything out of my own pocket. It was all covered under the 10,000 mile interval maintenance plan. Now, they did tell me that there is a defect in the suspension and the alignment, but so far there has not been any problems with the alignment. If that really was the case, the car would probably go to the left or the right. So I'm not entirely sure why they think there's something wrong with the alignment, even though there's nothing wrong. But for now on, I'm going to be getting oil changes at Carmax. Since when I bought this thing from Carmax, they offered me a 150,000 mile powertrain warranty, and that's when I can basically bring it in for heavy repairs. Now, I don't know if I told you this or not, but as part of the maintenance plan that Toyota offers, they do not do heavy repairs for free. You'll have to take it to a mechanic shop to do heavy repairs, unfortunately. She has around 11,000 miles on her, and I got, it had over 7,000 miles on it when I got the vehicle way back in May of this year. So, I will be making a video later on tonight, and show you the report that I got from Toyota. But other than that, there hasn't been any defects in the engine. The powertrain is okay. Like I said, the only problem is there is an issue with the suspension as well as the alignment. So that is something I'm not entirely sure if I am going to get it repaired or not. But they did say it's in fair condition, so it's not in the best condition by any means. But anyways, I thank you all for watching, and like I said, later on today I'll give you a full a full report on what they found. Anyways, thank you for watching.